Greetings, this is Eli Akira Kaufman reporting to you from my driveway on behalf of the Los Angeles County Bicycle Coalition. And we're here today to just basically give you a really basic bike check called the ABC check. This is a way to make sure that your bicycle is roadworthy for when you take it for a ride, especially in the time of COVID-19, when we need to be extra careful about our bicycles to make sure that they're in good running order. So without any further ado, here is your ABC bike check.
Alright, to start off your ABC, you want to check for air. You can check both tires using the same technique. Make sure you can't fit your thumb 1/8 of an inch in. If you can't fit your thumb 1/8 of an inch in, you should probably pump it up. Alright, the next thing you should do B, balance. So if you hear anything rattle besides your chain, that means you should make sure like your seat is tight, your handlebars are tight, so everything's good. Everything's good. Alright, then B. So just take both your brakes, just push forward, make sure it can hold both your weight. Check both brakes in the same style. And then C, chain. Make sure you can get down on one knee and start pedaling backwards. Make sure you're not getting caught on anything. No debris like up here or back in here. If there is debris there, you should probably clear it out. That's going to get in your way when you're riding. And just make sure continuous, make it smooth. And then make sure your chain is nice and lubed up. Just put your thumb on it. There we go. That's how you know it's nice. Now my thumb is black. That's going to be hard to wash off. So that's basically it.
All right, cool. So that's your first reporting from our driveway basic bicycle maintenance check. We hope that you get on your bikes, ride safely in small groups or with your immediate family. Make sure you observe all the traffic laws and make sure you do the ABC check so that you can ride safely for many years to come. Thanks, and we'll see you later. Bye.